Let me show you how to install or fix the Intel R Ethernet connection driver on Windows 11. This is useful if your wired connection isn't working or the driver is missing. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Step 2. Locate the adapter. Expand Network Adapters and look for Intel R Ethernet connection. If you don't see it, check under Other Devices for an unknown device with a warning icon. Step 3. Update the driver automatic method. Right-click on the Intel Ethernet device and select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your system and install the best available driver. Step 4. Use Let Me Pick manual selection. If the automatic method doesn't work, right-click the device again and choose Update Driver. This time, click Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You'll see a list of compatible drivers. Select Intel R Ethernet connection from the list and click Next to install it. Step 5. Install from Intel if needed. If no drivers appear in the list, download the correct driver from Intel's official website using another device. Transfer it to your PC and install it, or point to it using the Browse My Computer option. Step 6. Restart your computer. Once installed, restart your PC. After rebooting, connect your Ethernet cable and your internet should be working. And that's it. You've successfully installed or fixed your Intel Ethernet driver.